power on, okay, power on, and then press the button start, and then look at here, look at the LCD screen. Okay, this is the English version, and you can also see that the temperature is going to reach the temperature we set. We are going to start this machine. Adjust the speed, increase the speed, then the machine will start running.这个速度已经很快了吗？You can get a very satisfied packing by using this machine. This machine is high-speed, positioning type wooden coffee stirring stick packing machine. The application is very wide. It can be used for 110mm to 180mm length stirring sticks. The packing type is paper packing, 1 piece per bag. It can also count the packing quantities after finish the packing. After using this machine, best machine, your first choice. Welcome to visit our company website for more detailed information. Welcome to email us. This number is our WhatsApp number. If you have any questions regarding our machines and whole production line, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to add our WhatsApp or WeChat. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thank you to every customer who likes our machine. Thank you for choosing us.